Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into how to install and use TVMob on your FireStick. TVMob is a fantastic app for streaming live TV channels from around the world, right on your FireStick device. Whether you're into sports, news, or international channels, TVMob has you covered. Stick around as we walk you through the installation process and show you how to navigate this awesome app. Step 1. Enabling apps from unknown sources. Before we begin, make sure your FireStick is ready to install TVMob. Here's how to enable apps from unknown sources. From the FireStick home screen, navigate to Settings. Select My Fire TV or Device. Choose Developer Options. Turn on Apps from Unknown Sources. Select Turn On to confirm. Now, your FireStick is ready to install TVMob. Step 2. Installing TVMob on FireStick. Now, let's install TVMob on your FireStick. Open the Downloader app. If you don't have it, install it from the Amazon App Store. In the Downloader app, enter the following URL. Wait for the download to complete, then click Install when prompted. Once installed, click Done and then Delete to free up space. TVMob is now installed on your FireStick. Step 3. Using TVMob on FireStick. Let's explore how to use TVMob to watch your favorite channels. Launch TVMob from your FireStick home screen or under your apps and channels. You'll see various categories like sports, news, entertainment, etc. Navigate through these categories using your FireStick remote. Select a channel to start streaming. It's that simple. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to install and use TVMob on your FireStick. Now, you can enjoy unlimited access to live TV channels from across the globe. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming with TVMob on your FireStick. Thank you for watching.